Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text direction in Excel. Let's get started. If you're wondering how to set text orientation in a cell, I'll tell you, as I always do, that Excel offers multiple possibilities. We'll explore all of them using this data table as an example. First, select a cell or multiple cells in which you want to change text orientation. Let's say we want to do that in these two cells containing the names of the month. Click and drag. Once selected, go to the Home tab. Proceed to the Alignment section and look for the orientation icon. You'll see various options to rotate the text, such as making it flow vertically or tilting it at a certain angle. While predefined options are available, there might be occasions when you need to rotate the text at a specific angle, and that's what we'll focus on now. Click on the Format Cell Alignment option, and a pop-up window will appear. Go to the Alignment tab, where you can find settings like text alignment. However, our focus now is on changing the text orientation, tilting it to the exact angle needed. If, for instance, we want to set the angle to 45 degrees, there are two ways to do it. One way is to use the points along the semicircle located in the orientation box. Drag the orientation pointer to mark the angle you need. Another way is to use the box below and type in the exact number, the degree value of the angle. We'll type in 45. Click on OK, and you're done. Text orientation has been set precisely as needed. If you still need to adjust text alignment, you can use the icons up here to align to the left, center, or right. If you're curious about making the design of your data tables even more effective, watch our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.